ERADICATE ODORS. Fram air vent filters release clean air that is deodorized with the power of Arm & Hammer baking soda. Embrace cleaner and fresher air while eliminating dirt. Eliminates irritants. Various particles like dust and pollen can accumulate inside your vehicle. These hard-to-see irritants can be exposed to all passengers, but Fram air cabin filter filters 98% of contaminants. Easy install. Install Fram cabin filter within minutes by reaching into your glove compartment, sliding your filter in and getting a locked-in fit. Refreshing. Experience a cleaner and refreshing feeling with our vehicle air filter. No more road trips where unknown particles may be surrounding the air you breathe. Instead, enjoy the rides with a pleasant lingering scent. Arm & Hammer. Fram Fresh Breeze is the only cabin air filter that can help remove odors flowing through the vehicle ventilation system, thanks to the Arm & Hammer baking soda and carbon embedded in the filter media. Top reviews from the United States. Solved my stinky car vent problem. I had been smelling a bad vinegar scent coming out of my AC vents when I turned them on. A quick Google search told me it was mold in my cabin air filter. Well, I saw a video recommend this exact one, so I gave it a shot. Glad I did. Not only did the smell go away, I did have to run the blower for a little bit to cycle the fresh air in, but after a couple weeks of using it I have to say I've noticed my car smells a lot fresher and is less dusty. Some other reviews complain about lesser airspeed because the filter is thicker, but I don't notice any such thing. My vents work fine, smell good, and I am very pleased.